Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the class of Business Communication. Today, the topic which we are going to discuss is role of communication. Business communication and management are closely related to each other. Business communication is considered as the lifeblood of management. Management can do nothing without business communication. The basic management functions like planning, organization, directing, controlling, supervising, motivating, coordination, etc. are done through timely and accurate information provided by business communication. In fact, management communication is a great weapon for management. The relationship between management and business communication can be better understood by the following points. Role of business communication in management. Number 1. Communication and decision making. Management is to take decision in different areas for the smooth functioning of the organization activities. Business communication helps management take proper and timely decision by providing information in relevant areas. Communication and execution of plans. Plans are made to perform the business activities efficiently, and planning requires gathering necessary information. Business communication helps collecting the relevant data from different sources. After the plan has been prepared, it requires implementation, and business communication plays a vital role in the execution of plans by circulating them among the officers and employees and by giving them necessary directions. Communication and mutual understanding and cooperation. Effective business communication between the management and the employees helps to bring about an atmosphere of mutual trust and confidence. If the employees know exactly what is expected from them, and if the management is aware of the potentialities and limitations of the employees, both sides will get better returns. So, effective business communication is must for promoting a spirit of understanding and cooperation. Communication and planning. Planning is one of the most important management functions. Business communication facilitates the planning process by supplying information, opinions, ideas, logistics, etc. from various quarters within and outside the organization. Without proper business communication, no effective plan can be made and carried out. Communication and elimination of rumors. In an organization, there are different types of people. Sometimes there may be rumors of fake information which may be leaked out that creates unrest among the employees. If there is well-established business communication system, management can continuously keep in touch with the employees without every change in the organization that reduces the rumors. Communication and motivation. Motivation is very important. Motivating the employees to respond desirably is another important function of business communication. In organizational communication, the major task of business communication is to motivate the employees to work harmoniously to attain organizational objectives. Communication and raising employee morale. Morale is the individual and collective spirit and moral condition of employees with regard to discipline and confidence. Low morale makes the employees idle and frustrated. Management always tries to raise the morale of employees through business communication. To that, they think that they are important for the organization. Communication and controlling. Communication is an important function of management, and business communication plays a vital role in the controlling process. Communication, or we can say business communication, provides information to the top executive of different issues that helps the management establish a well-managed controlling system in the organization. Communication and developing industrial relations. Industrial relation means the relation between the employer and the employee. A good labor management relation is a precondition for achieving organizational success, but the harmonious relations between employer and the employee can be ensured only by exchanging regular information between them. Communication and coordination. In this age of specialization, there are various departments in an organization like planning, production, marketing, administration, etc. If these departments do not communicate with one another as well as with the management, there will be no coordination among them. For example, when production is fully geared up, the storage department may report shortage of raw materials due to lack of coordination. So, business communication is inevitably in the organization for bringing coordination among the various departments. Communication and counseling. Communication is an organized and specialized form of advice. Counseling is objective, personal, and professional. A number of large business organizations have their counseling departments. Services of specialists are engaged for this purpose, and employees receive free medical advice, legal advice, and vocational guidance, etc. Communication and achievements of targets. Communication, or we can say every business organization accumulates its effort to carry out certain goals or targets. Proper business communication system encourages the employees of every level by providing relevant information, instructions and directions. It helps the management to make the employees committed towards the attainment of organizational objectives. Communication and directing the subordinates. The subordinates of an organization needs necessary directions and orders from their superiors for better job performance. So, business communication is required for directing the subordinates. Communication and creating image. Business communication creates image of the organization by linking various parties that helps the organization to survive in the competitive environment. That's all for today. I hope you have understood the important points of why communication is very essential when it comes to business. Nothing is possible without a proper communication skill. So it's very important to achieve that goal, that is to know the art of communication, to learn the communication skills so that you can win any situation whenever you face problem, or like you can solve any kind of problem you have with your colleagues or employees. Thank you.